This is a letter that Mrs. Yankee really, really likes because Yankee. That's me. Now, when it comes to the letter Y, it starts with that roller coaster and then goes into the Y. But if I take off the roller coaster, look what it's going to look like. If I put a dot here, it would be a J. So you want to make sure that you have that roller coaster loop before it so that it is, in fact, a Y. All right, so put your pencil down. Don't you dare pick it up. Teachers give them dirty looks if they have their pencil in their hand. At home, those children that have their pencil in their hand, I'm giving you a dirty look. You just can't see me. Okay, watch. Ready? So I'm going to do a roller coaster where we go up and we'll go over the hump and then we go down to the bottom. Now I'm going to go back up, but now do the part that reminds you of a J. So straight down to the basement, loop around the same direction a J or a normal Y would go, and then connect. Because a normal Y, you're going this direction anyway, so you're going to continue it that way for the connecting part. So watch again, pencils down. Remember the dirty looks, we don't want dirty looks. Start at the bottom, roller coaster up, go over that peak and straight, or and curve down, go back up, and now it's a J. You're going to go down to the basement, curve it around to connect, same way a J goes. Now, I will tell you that a lot of times I don't see adults doing the roller coaster before a Y. A lot of times I feel like they do more like this. And they kind of do like what you would do for a beginning of an I. So just be aware that you will see that sometimes, but this cursive packet is teaching us to roller coaster, so we are going to roller coaster. Ready? Now you may pick up your pencil. Now happy faces. Ready? Go ahead, start at the bottom, do your roller coaster up, go over that first loop, go back up to the top, and now a J. Straight down to the bottom, loop back the way a J goes, connect, just no dot. Do it again. Start at the bottom, roller coaster up, go over the peak, and curve back up to the top, and now a J. Go down to the basement and connect. Try one of the in-betweens, ready? And I notice, look, this is skinnier than mine, so I'm going to try to make my roller coaster a little thinner this time. Ready? So go ahead and roller coaster up, go over that peak, and then go back up like you're going to do a J, back down to the basement and curve. Now, do you see how much better that is? So just because you do one not great doesn't mean that you're not going to get better. It's all about practicing. Okay, so before you continue, you should not be working anymore. Look up at the screen and spell this for me. What letter? Y-O-U-R. You're welcome. All right, what's this? It's the letter that vampire taught you. V-E-R-Y. Very. Ms. Grotemat is very nice. Nicer than Mr. Sprunger by far. All right, trace it, write it, trace it, write it. After you've finished your Y's, then circle your best and go ahead and get busy.